In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Splitwise monthly summary. This is really useful if you want a clear, organized view of what happened over a certain month, whether it's for tracking your personal budget, settling up with friends, or just understanding where your money is going. First, make sure you're logged into your Splitwise account on your browser or app. Once you're on the main dashboard, start by choosing where you want to see the summary. You can view a monthly summary either for a specific group or for an individual friend. If you want to see the summary for a group, look at the list of groups on the left side of your screen, or in the Groups tab if you're on mobile. This might be something like a household group, a vacation group, or a shared apartment. Click on the group that you're interested in. This will open that group's page and show you all the expenses that have been added for that group. If instead you want a summary of your expenses with just one person, go to your list of friends. On desktop, you'll usually see a Friends section or tab. On mobile, tap the Friends icon or navigate to your friends list. From there, select the friend whose shared expenses you want to review. Just like with a group, this will open the page showing all the expenses between you and that friend. Once you're on the right group or friend page, scroll through until you see the list of expenses. Here, you should choose any single expense from that list. It doesn't really matter which one. Selecting an expense just brings up more detailed options related to that group or friend. Click on an expense so that its detailed view opens on the screen. Within this detailed view, look carefully for a link or button that says View Printable Summary. This option is usually located near the top or sometimes in a sidebar, and it may look like a small text link rather than a big button, so don't worry if it takes a second to spot. Click on View Printable Summary. When you do this, Splitwise will generate a clean, formatted summary page that you can view, download, or print. This summary will show you the expenses for that group or friend in a layout that's much easier to read and share, especially for a specific month. From here, you can use your browser's print or save options to keep a copy for your records, send it to someone, or refer back to it when you're settling up.